Hi guys, welcome. In this video, we will discuss top 5 programming languages to learn in 2023. So let's start. Top 5 programming language you can see here. First one is Python, second one is JavaScript, third one is Java, fourth one is Kotlin, and fifth one is PHP. So here we can see the top 5 programming languages. So let's discuss one by one why these technology are more popular. Okay. So first one is Python. Python is the simplest language that can be learned by the beginners. Python is mostly recommended for those who have just started making their career in IT industry. Python is widely used for data science, machine learning, and backend web application services. Next, JavaScript. JavaScript is one of the most popular programming languages and it is considered as the future. JavaScript is being used in almost every area like front-end development, back-end development, desktop applications, and native mobile app as well. The popular JavaScript frameworks for front-end are Angular, React, and Vue.js. For back-end, we have Node.js, Express.js, Fastify, etc. Next, Java. Java is a popular general-purpose programming language. It is the fastest growing and secure programming language. Recognized by Oracle, this language is used on 3 million devices worldwide. Mean Java will never end. Java is used to create web apps, games, mobile apps, commercial website, etc. Next, Kotlin. Kotlin is used extensively for Android apps, web application, and server-side application development. Kotlin was built to be better than Java, and people who use this language are convinced. Most of the Google applications are based on Kotlin. Some companies using Kotlin as their programming language, including Pinterest, Postmates, and many others. Next, PHP. PHP is a server-side scripting language that is widely used for web development. The open source tools and high running speed make PHP one of the most preferred languages for creating interactive website and web application. Some of the biggest web platform, including Facebook, Yahoo, Mailchimp, and Wikipedia, use PHP in their end-to-end computing infrastructure. So, guys, today we discuss top 5 programming language that is more popular and on demand now. And hope you like this video. And thanks for watching. If still you didn't subscribe my channel, then please subscribe. Thank you.